Hello and welcome to this week's Thought for the Week. Sutton Schoolswork is a Christian charity that works in secondary schools all across Sutton. So let's get started.
Okay, so you might be thinking, what is the point in celebrating? It doesn't look how it should. And it doesn't take a genius to have a quick look on the internet or on the news to see that there's a lot of negativity out there. And that can kind of feed into how we feel as well. That can make us feel a bit negative and a bit down too. But in this video today, we're going to be spending some time thinking about this topic of celebration. Thinking about the fact that there are things that we can celebrate. And hopefully this will be an encouragement to you. So maybe you're one of those people who had a holiday booked and that's been cancelled. Maybe you have had your birthday in lockdown. Maybe you're even at the point where you're kind of missing the fact that you won't have end of term exams. And these plans, these things that we kind of expected summer to look like, it's okay that we feel a bit down and a bit rubbish that they're cancelled. It's okay not to feel okay. They were great plans, amazing plans, but this doesn't mean we should stop celebrating altogether. It might look different, the way that we choose to celebrate might have changed, but there are still things that we can choose to celebrate.
As Christians, we turn to the Bible in difficult circumstances. And there's a song which is written in the Psalms that says, "This is the day the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it." Now you might be thinking that the Bible is full of doom and gloom, when actually it's full of so much joy and celebration. And this verse is basically saying that every day when we wake up and we get out of bed, there is a reason to celebrate. This is the day that the Lord has made, so we can be joyful and celebrate. So why not find something to celebrate this week? That might be finding a new skill or finding a new hobby. Or it might just be that you got out of bed this morning and you got dressed, or anything in between. Now at Sutton Schoolswork we always want to set you a challenge or an activity. So if you just see above me here, you'll see an example of what this activity is this week. And it's a to-do list. You're obviously going to be familiar with to-do lists, but with this one we've changed it up a little bit. We want you to write down all of the things that you have achieved that day, that week, even this month. Write down all of those things, no matter how small, no matter how big. We can always find something to celebrate.